So guys, tisingan na to atong kuan air fryer na napalit. Worth, ambot bilang worth ano. So open na to siya. Okay, standard one for isang. Okay. Patok, baba na ako siya. Yes, this is an air fryer. Socket niya. Pagbilagay niya, te. So, morning sa Lubani. As you can see, guys. Shades sa kape. Cool, no? Cool? Sawa kan mag-sing. Ganyan. Huwag magalaw, ganyan lang.
How about you use a tripod?
Tripods. So inside the box, you can see styrofoam. Yeah.
This could be my. Where's my car?
Mga cooking instructions. Turun. See instructions, cooking, but it's in Chinese language. So, China number 1.
I need a car. Can you give me a car, please?
What? I'm doing a review here. Go out.
Give me a car. Giant car.
Sa mga badi-badi. Saan ang neck? Ituro ang neck. Ituro. Wala ka mang neck. Oh, wala ka neck. Oh.
Styrofoam.
Styro. Behind that. As you can see. Cute na. I don't know. Here. Gonna show. Under the kitchen. Side here. The bread. And pan. That's it. Reheat the fryer. So, preheat sa gas. 200 degrees as per the French fries. Instruction says for the air fryer.
So, where are we gonna cook?
Huh?
Where are we gonna cook?
Here.
Where are we gonna cook these?
Yes.
They have the recipe?
Yes.
Yes, I have to cook.
Lagyan natin ang ating fries. Set it at 12 minutes. At 180 kung hindi naman sa ice. 200 kung nag-ice. So let's make. So it's time for the review. Not bad.
Destroy niya yung air hole dito. Sitting down. Let's play with the house.
Crunchy ching. Add salt pa. Preference.